Have fun!
Huh? What's that sound?
Hey! Yahoo!
We've arrived.
Huh?
Phew.
Right on time.
Hey there.
Hello!
Let's do this.
Stop right there!
Don't you recognize us?
Should I? Well, I see. I still need to do my job, though. No tail? No enter! Sorry! You ladies don't belong here. This event is for mermaids only.
Oh,
I see.
Wait!
why?
I will help you!
What are you?
It's mermaid makeover time! For you!
Whoa.
Where are we?
So cool.
Ha! A surprise box! I love surprises! Come on, check out yours.
Let's see. Wow.
Shall we begin? What does the first shell have in store for us? This is so exciting! Wow! What kind of magic is this?
Huh? My turn! Let's see what the seashell will give me. I hope it's something useful. Whoa! Huh? These are the same as yours. What are we supposed to do with them? You're thinking what I'm thinking?
Yep.
Let's go! No time to waste. The show must go on. Shoes off.
Bye, Boots.
Whoa! Watch out! Haha!
Done. Wait, we can't walk.
Maybe we did something wrong? Whoa! Look! We got a cute visitor!
Aw,
Who's a good boy? Wow! He brought sweets!
yum.
Yum indeed! Nom!
Wonder what flavor this is.
Ha! Whoa!
What's happening?
I can't believe it! We have actual mermaid tails now!
And they are so fancy. It's all thanks to Derpy. Yay! Bye, buddy.
Come again soon! I guess that completes the first step of the makeover.
We nailed it if you ask me.
Let's check out what's next.
I'll go first.
Go ahead!
Shell number 2. Weird. How will these help?
We'll have to figure it out. I wonder if I'll get the same stuff. Wow! A makeover game? My favorite kind. We need to pick an outfit.
This one's perfect.
Perfectly dirty, you mean? We can't wear these.
Disgusting. These belong in the trash.
Wait, maybe not. This must be why we got tiny laundry machines. I'll select the hygiene program. The wash cycle is finished. And ta-da! It's fresh as new. Come on, your turn.
Fine. I'll put lots of ocean-friendly detergent. Okay, time to take it out. Wow, it smells so nice now. But we still have a tiny problem. Hang on, this must be what we need to use next.
I was right. Let's try it. Careful, don't point it at me.
Don't worry, I have perfect aim.
You were saying… Wait, now the shirt will fit just fine. Told ya.
I should fix this. I can't let you stay like that.
Whoa! Yay! Thanks! The shirt!
It worked. Take this.
Okay, ready?
I'm ready.
This is how it's done.
Yay! Thanks!
Of course! No biggie.
This is so pretty. And it's like it's made just for me.
So, that means task 2 is also done. I'll check out the third shell now. Here it is! Whoa! This is unexpected. Should we take cover? Ah! I should have! Take it off! Help!
Whoa! Nobody saw that coming.
Huh? Wait a second. This feels strangely relaxing.
Wow. Hey there, buddy.
Thanks for the updo! Oh, of course I love it! You're really good at your job.
Bye!
Bye!
Your hair looks amazing! Let's see who my hairdresser will be. Huh? But where's my octopus stylist? All I got are socks. Hey, good thing I already know this hack. I mean, I am a K-pop star after all. Of course, I know a thing or two about hair. Now, I wait.
Good thing they're not smelly socks, at least.
Haha.
Hey!
How was that my fault? Anyway, I gotta use these too, I guess.
Haha! Not like that, though! Let me show you! Can't imagine you without your signature front hair pieces. So I'm creating a mermaid version of those. Voila!
Wow, thanks!
You're welcome! But I still gotta bedazzle your hair with these. Check it out!
Wow, I love it so much! This really is the hairstyle for my edgy spirit.
Huh?
Oh, you're back already? Good to see you again. Those are for us?
Is this some kind of a hair necklace?
More like a tiara, I assume.
Oh, I see. Mine's gotta be golden. I think our octopus friend is happy with the results.
Oh wow, our new friend got even more surprises for us.
We can check mermaid hair off our list.
We still have 2 more tasks to complete. Wow! Yay! Makeup time! These products are just what we need.
I see it. I like it. I want to do it too. But I need to wash my face first.
A little help?
Huh? With what?
My hands are busy holding this.
Okay, I'll do the rest for you. What would you do without me?
We're a team for a reason.
Yep.
And I have precious pearls here. And I have no reason to not put them on my face.
Wow, that's a great idea. Okay, let's catch some glitter. Careful, fishies. Get out of the way. I got them all. You use pearls, I'll use this pearl dust. It's a bit chunky, but it looks magical. A makeup look won't be mermaid core without some color. These shades of purple go well with my hair.
One final touch.
Let's open the final shells together in 3, 2, 1.
Give us what we need, magic shells.
Wow.
Ha! The concert! We almost forgot about that.
Was it today?
Ready to end my shift? Whoa!
We're back.
And we're ready for our merfolk fans.
I can see that. Amazing transformation, really. I'm so happy to announce I can let you pass. Break a leg on the stage. Oh wait, they can't. Nobody's around. That means I'll sing all the songs out loud. Woohoo! Let's go! Huntrix!
Our dear fans.
You're all shining today. We're going up.
It's our moment.
Hello, desk neighbor. If I ignore her, maybe she'll go away. Not really a talker, huh? I'll listen to some music. At least I won't be able to hear her. Whoa, it's flying! I guess it really is an AirPod. Hey, get back here! Look out! Grab it! Phew, that was crazy. Be honest, is it okay? I don't think so. This is the worst! I can fix it. I'll wipe it on my top. It's as good as you, but I can make it even better. I'll add a Barbie sticker. Then I'll need a pink pen. I'll start to color the case. I'll go all the way around, but I won't draw over the sticker. I'm almost done. Now I'll peel off the sticker. Look at that. I hope you like it. Wow, it's perfect. That's the reaction I was looking for. It's everything I've ever wanted. Hey, wanna listen to music with me? Here you go. Whoa! Is that screaming? It's me, singing. I wrote it myself.
Welcome to art class. We're going to be creating masterpieces.
This'll be fun.
I have something special planned. Take a look at this. I drew it myself.
Ooh, it looks like me. I'm a model.
Sure, okay. I want you to draw something similar.
I suppose we better do this. Let me think. Okay, I'm ready. This is gonna look great. Wow, it's perfect. It is pretty good. But I'm gonna paint my drawing. This is harder than I thought. That can go in the trash. Let's start over. Steady, steady. Ah, come on! I can't believe how hard this is! It's so annoying!
What have you done?
It was an accident. I'll wipe it up. This isn't going well.
It's ruined!
I'm so sorry. Huh? What's that? Ugh, I've got paint on my finger. Hang on. I've got an idea. I've made sketches on 2 pieces of paper. Then I'll trace them onto cardboard. Now I'll take a circle and rectangle of cardboard. I'll stick the head and Barbie stencil onto them. Next I'll cover them with pink card. That's just what I wanted. It's like a stamp.
Huh? What is it?
Hey, watch this! You're gonna love it! I'll need a roller. I'll cover it with paint. Then I'll roll it over the stamp. I'll give it a good coat. Then I'll press it onto the paper. I'll do the same with the Barbie stencil. I'll make sure I don't miss any spots. That should do it. Then I'll transfer it to the paper. It worked! What do you think? It's pretty good, isn't it? I worked hard on it.
Wait, I know what to do. I'll need a gold pen. I can still save my drawing. I'll go around the edge of the paint stain. I'll follow it all the way around. I'll take my time. I want it to be perfect. Now for the next stage. I'll paint the head with black paint. I'll stay inside the lines. And I'll make a silhouette. Wow, it looks amazing! Ta-da! I know. It's stunning.
Huh?
Whoa! That was the reaction I was looking for.
Oh, you're finished.
Ignore her. My painting is the best.
Excellent work. You're both true artists. Great job.
He likes mine the best.
I'm just so happy.
Time for a lipstick top-up. This shade is gorgeous. It really suits me. Looking good. Good work. This is gonna be great. I'll need a sheet of pink card. I'll start by folding it over. I'll make sure the edges are lined up. Now I need a black pen. I'll draw a long rectangle, but the edges will be curved. It's gonna be a jar. Next I'll add stickers to the card. I want it to be nice and colorful. Then I'll cut the jar out. But I'll leave the lid intact. I'll need a Ziploc plastic bag for this next part. I'll pinch the tip of the bag, and I'll pour shampoo in. Almost there. Next I'll add glitter. I want this to sparkle. I conceal the bag. I'll fold the top over. I'll mix the shampoo and glitter together. Ooh, that feels good. I'll place it inside the card. I want to cover the hole. Now I need to hold it in place. I'll stick tape to each corner. This'll keep it secure. Now I need a strip of double-sided tape. I'll remove the backing. I've stapled a bunch of paper together, and I'll place it on the double-sided tape. My new notebook. Look at the glitter move around. I can feel my stress melting away. I'm so happy with it.
Huh? What'd you say? Whoa! I don't believe it! Where'd she get that? I want a cool notebook too! Can't let anyone see! I'll need to work fast.
What are you doing?
Take a look at this!
What's that?
My super cool notebook! It's so soft and squishy!
I can't even look at it! It's giving me anxiety! Luckily my notebook will calm me. Hi, Ken!
I'm not feeling this outfit.
We need a costume change.
You read my mind. That's not right.
Let's try this again.
It's better, but…
Okay, one more time.
Oh yeah! This is what I'm talking about.
Ready for school?
I sure am, Barbie. I've got no idea how we did that.
Anything's possible in a Barbie world. I'll see you later. I'm hungry. And I have this tasty snack. Yummy. It's so good. What are you doing?
Can I have some?
No. It's mine. I'm not sharing my food.
I knew she was gonna say that.
Hold on. I have an idea.
Yeah. I know what to do. I better get started. This is gonna be good.
I'll draw an oval. Then start to add some details. Then I can color it in.
I'll use a pink pencil. This is for the boy. Then I'll use red for the letters. I don't want to make any mistakes. I'll take my time. That's great! I'll need to cut it out. I can put this to one side. I've got more to do. I've cut a piece of pink card like this. And I've marked it into sections. I'll lightly score the card. This'll help me fold it. I'll run glue over the flap. I don't need a lot. Just enough to hold it in place.
I'll fold the flap over and give it a press. I'll do the same at either side. I'm gonna need more. I wrote on each of the pieces. Now I'll place them on a large sheet of card. I'll fold the card over them and make a crease. It's like wrapping a gift. It looks pretty boring just now, but I can make it look better. I've made this little sticker. Then I'll trim the side. I want it to look like a chocolate bar wrapper, so I'll cut little triangles out of the edges. I'll flip it over. And I can stick my logo onto it. I don't want any creases. It needs more. I'll add some love hearts to it. I'll just sketch them with a pen. I'll color it red. Aw, this is so cute. I'll draw a few more hearts. And that's it finished. It's making me hungry. Hey Barbie, wanna swap?
Wow, it's so pink! I want it!
I love it!
It's so exciting!
I know it'll taste great.
Whoa, look at this! Yum yum!